Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lance Howery and today we're going to talk tech. We are going to unbox the Mac Mini M1. I am super excited about this. I've always wanted to get a Mac Mini, and when the M1 came out, I was like, I gotta get it. I want to get it and show you guys if you can use the Mac Mini to do a YouTube channel. Can you edit videos on it? And this is the basic version. This is the lowest version. We'll get into the details of that, but I'm really excited for this thing. I've always wanted a Mac Mini and now I got one. We're gonna unbox it today, and then in the next video, maybe in the next week, we're gonna dive into it and use it and see what it has to offer, guys. So let's dive in and unbox this thing. All right, so I did get the basic version. The basic version is 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabyte hard drive. Now, that wouldn't be maybe my total recommendation if you have the money to spend. But if all you have is $699, which is what this basic model is, which is phenomenal. If all we have is $699, then I wanted to see if I could buy the basic model and show you guys how to use it for YouTube. Will 256 gigabytes be enough? Will 8 gigs of RAM be enough? I don't know, but we will see. Let's dive in. Unboxing an Apple product is just so satisfying. All right, guys. This is it. This is the Mac Mini. All right, guys. There it is. It's small. I know a lot of you probably either had a Mac Mini or have seen an unboxing of a Mac Mini, but if you have not, then here you go. This thing is sweet. Now, when you take off this, it probably opens up one of the #1 most disappointing things about this is that the previous generation of Mac Mini actually had 4 USB-C ports, and this one only has 2. There's belief that it's a limitation of the M1 chip, and so that's why there's only 2 and not 4. It's on the MacBook Pro that has the M1 has 2, and so does the MacBook Air. But I will say that we'll just see what happens. We'll just see what happens. We'll see. I want to get a monitor that I can hook up with USB-C, but it's not on the budget yet. And we're trying to do this thing on a budget. That's why we got the $699 version. So I'm super excited to give it a try. Also, let's see here. We're doing an unboxing. So what else is in the box? A power adapter, power cord. That is all that's in the box. Now, I did pick up the MacBook, the Magic trackpad. I want to be able to use the trackpad. I love doing that with my MacBook Pro at the moment. I have a 15-inch MacBook Pro from 2018 that I've been doing all my editing on. We're going to see if it's better. Supposedly, benchmark-wise, it is better than the one that I have, and but it's a fully loaded MacBook Pro from 2018. It's not the 16-inch MacBook Pro, but it is the 15. It's fully loaded. Guys, this is going to be sweet to try. Stay tuned for the videos coming up. This was a quick unboxing. Not going to talk a whole lot about it this unboxing. We're just getting these videos started. I don't know what this channel is going to bring. We're going to do tech. We're going to do all kinds of things, and I'm going to keep bringing it to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the videos coming down the pipeline. Catch you guys later.